Hello everyone. In this question, we are given the unit step response y of t of a unity feedback system with open loop transfer function g of s times h of s equals k by s plus 1 whole square times s plus 2. We are asked to find the value of k. To know more on the concepts used to solve this problem, kindly refer the NPTEL Control Engineering course Week 3 Lecture 4 by Professor Ramkrishna Pasumarthy of IIT Madras. The steady state error in the output of a feedback system to a unit step input is obtained by ESS equals 1 by 1 plus Kp, where Kp is the positional error constant obtained by Kp equals limit s tending to 0 g of s times h of s, where g of s is the forward path transfer function and h of s is the feedback path transfer function. So in this question, we are given the open loop transfer function of a system, that is g of s times h of s, where the feedback is unity, equals k by s plus 1 the whole square times s plus 2. So the unit step response plot looks something like this, and we are asked to find the value of k. So if you look at this response, there are some initial oscillations and then the final value settles to 0.8. So since it's a unit step response, the reference input is a unit step. So I'll draw this as r of t. So this is a unit step. So if you notice, there is a steady state error here of 0.2, that is 1 minus 0.8. So we can use this to find the value of k. So now you know that the steady state error ESS, which is equal to R of S, that is the reference input, minus Y of S, that is the step response, is equal to 0.2. Now, since we know that the steady state error for a unit step input can be found out by ESS equals 1 by 1 plus Kp, we can equate these two, where Kp is the positional error constant given by Kp equals limit s tending to 0 g of s times h of s. So we know g of s times h of s. So let us calculate Kp. So Kp equals limit s tending to 0 g of s times h of s, which is equal to limit s tending to 0 k by s plus 1 the whole square times s plus 2. So which is equal to k by, so this will go to 0 and this term will go to 0. So you have 2. So we got Kp equals k by 2. So now we'll substitute this in the steady state error equation. So which means ESS, which is equal to 0.2, equals 1 by 1 plus Kp, that is k by 2. So now if you take the reciprocal, you get 1 plus k by 2 equals 5, that is 1 by 0.2. So now you can solve for k, so you get k equals 8. So the value of k for this system is 8. Thank you.